So what are we doing today?
We are shooting a vlog 3, and we are here to support our friend Pandey, Sir Aditya Pandey. He is going to send, hopefully.
He will.
Yeah, he will. But today or tomorrow, whenever. One of the hardest lines in his career. Yeah.
Hey, go Pandey
Go Pandey ji.
No, but why are we recording all
Yeah,
this and
exactly.
talking like?
So we have
dumb
basically, I have recorded a lot of footage of the plies board being constructed. I wanted to keep this vlog not about ourselves, not focus on ourselves, and just tell the people story of how a lot of people around us basically enable us to ice climb as much as like we can through the year. And yeah, this vlog is about that. And
So you should start with the story at the rock here itself last December.
So I was climbing this high ball boulder, which is about 10-12 feet, and I fell from the top of it, and Pandey was spotting me, and my fall sort of jolted him away from where he was standing, and his knee basically went in. He was bedridden for about 2 months.
Yeah.
And that sort of ended his season. On the upside, I wasn't broken and I could climb the entire ice season just because Pandey broke my fall. We'll sort of reflect on how we got started with ice climbing.
Yeah.
So what my recollection of how we got started is because of these two guys, Abhijit Singh and Pranav Bhai, who went and climbed some waterfalls in Spiti, and Mountain Dew made an ad about that. I was tempted to do it, and when we moved to Manali next year, Pranav Bhai started living in Manali, and I thought I'd learn the sport from him, but we didn't have ice axes or any other tools or equipment to go about ice climbing. Plus, Spiti is still like quite far away from Manali.
2017 was the year I first tried ice climbing, and that was the last time I tried ice climbing until Feb 2020. Like I had more mountaineering projects that I was wanting to do, and one of my takeaways from like last year's projects were understanding, Deotiba, mostly Deotiba, was understanding my weakness on and my comfort level on the mountain. So ice climbing this year, that was my major goal, to get very comfortable on vertical like terrain with an ice axe and crampons on basically.
Fortunately, I met this amazing guy, Karthik Nomad.
Karthik Nomad.
He works at NCOPS. Outward Bound, in North Carolina.
Jimmy Chin has passed out. He used to be an instructor there many years back.
Exactly. And Karthik Bhai is now like fucking instructing Navy SEALs in outdoor rescue. Yeah. Anyway, so we had a deal. He'd teach me rope walk, which would sort of add to my skills in climbing on rock and on mountains. And I'd sort of initiate him into ice climbing. And we went to Lahore, which had opened up for the very first time.
Atal Tunnel.
Through the Atal Tunnel, Lahore became accessible for the first time in its history during winters. And we were able to live there for over a month, I think. Almost a month, and explore the ice climbing opportunities in that area, which are immense.
Had to keep training, so we ran around a lot as well. Saw some wildlife. Did you see this thing there?
Yeah, we saw
ibex. A lot of them, like about 10-15.
Right from the hotel, you could like point maybe. Can we put something in the B-rolls? Do we have anything? Yeah,
I took a video which I zoomed into. We'll watch it. Crap, that's too shaky. Get a tripod or something.
Took a jeep to the usual climbing crag, which is called Commander Nala. This was a gorge which had ice falls, waterfalls basically dangling from faces every 10 feet or so. There's one beautiful climb that Kyron sort of picked up, which was Skinny Pitch.
Skinny Pitch.
Yeah, it's an ice pillar
skinny.
which is seeping out of rock
Crack
roof.
in the rock.
It's not supported by anything. And
Yeah, took a rope and ended up taking 2 screws, climbed it, all that. Took a fall, created a bit of noise on social media because of that. And eventually, anyways, climbed it to the
Yeah.
top and came.
climbed it
What?
clean.
Yeah, and then he went up as well.
That was one of the coolest
fun
climbs.
ones,
Yeah. Not the most difficult one.
Not
but
difficult, but
yeah.
fun. I think I wouldn't mind, spending at least a month every year there, climbing more. And so much to do, right? One of the biggest takeaways was understanding our weaknesses, right?
Yeah,
That's where the price board comes in.
yeah. Back to the point.
Exactly.
Why we're doing all
Like,
of this.
we realize we need to keep training off season when there is no ice as well.
Yeah.
So the price board is basically filling that gap. So we got the price board up.
What's about the price board?
Training is going next level for the ice climbing season, right?
So yeah.
I'm damn excited for that.
What are we doing here?
Where
अरे
and
नहीं
what?
नहीं नहीं not
How much? Isn't Kyron camera ready now? 1 million.
कहाँ पे
भैया हमने उल्लू बनाया
ओ कालू क्या हो रहा है ज्योति का ये?
काम हो रहा है
हाँ?
क्या कर रही हो
पानी बना
हाँ
तो जूस बना रहे
इसका जूस बना रहे हो
हाँ
तुम क्या कर रहे हो
इसका कर
जी कैसा लग रहा है?
बढ़िया लग रहा है।
सेटअप
मैं तो 2 साल से सोच रहा था कब आऊँ आ गया मज़े आ गए।
आज तो एक ही दिन में सारे मजे ले लेगा मुझे लग रहा है। और हम ये फालतू बकवास क्यों कर रहे हैं कैमरा पे?
क्योंकि आपको भी व्लॉग बनाना है।
अच्छा आपको पता है आपने क्या बनाया है?
फ्लाइज बोट
फ्लाइज बोर्ड। क्या करेंगे इसके ऊपर?
क्लाइंबिंग
तेज चाकू है भाई।
Was someone gonna campus to the top or is it ice climbing? Oh. मुझे नहीं जाना ऊपर। Oh my God, ये क्या हो गया? तिथे एक काम कर, वरती चढत चढत जा आणि त्याच्यावरनं वरती ये. तुम लोग ना मेरा मोटिवेशन खराब कर रहे हो.
Badhiya Prashant. First end of this wall goes to you.
It is.
First person to climb.
I named this route Splice Bridge.
Oh.
So yeah, we got that splice boards up. It's for you to watch and for us to train on
Yeah.
and get ready for what the project is in 15th June, less than a month.
Yeah.
So we need to like really buck up and train hard on it. I'm going for like at least 10 6,000 meter peaks within 30 days. And I've been training hard for it. He's been training hardly for it. But we are getting there.
Yeah.
And I think I think the psych is like high up there at 6,000 meters.
If
going-
it's still not hit you, he's going to climb 6,000
10,
meter.
10.
6,000 meter plus Himalayan peaks in less than 30 days. That is one peak every fucking 3 days.
on an average.
So yeah.
Yeah.
Whenever that vlog comes out, it will be linked to this one if you're seeing it that late. Anyways, and if you want to build a plice board of your own, there's a plan by Black Diamond, which the description for which I'll share in the link. No, link will be shared in the description below. This is probably the third vlog that you're watching, and by this time you should be pretty hooked. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do it right now. And more than subscribing, please put it out to your friends, family, whoever you think would enjoy these vlogs. And even if they are not going to, just show it to them and let them decide if they will enjoy
At least
it
just
or not.
increase our view count, right?
Exactly. If you want
Check
to
it out, build yourself a plice board
Yeah.
and start training for ice climbing.
for ice climbing and for mountains.
Alright guys.
Bye bye.
Take care.
1, 2, 3.
If you are your biggest fan, you will be a shining star. You're the only person who has you. If you throw away your plans, you will go very far. You came here to become the next sun. You became here to become the next sun.